What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got another bike review coming to you. This time, this thing is, I think, officially the biggest, the baddest, the most powerful, and the most expensive e-bike I've ever reviewed. This is the Biktrix Juggernaut FS Pro. Not a lot of pictures of this thing out there, not a lot of videos of this thing out there. I might very well be one of the first YouTubers to ever review this specific model. There's already been Juggernaut videos and FS Juggernaut videos, but no FS Pro Juggernaut videos. So let's get into this, man. Look at this. This thing is huge. Look at the size of this box. It's huge. Looks like it's a TV, but it's not a TV. And look at that right there. Saskatoon, Canada. Coming to us from Canada. Our friends up in the north. Oh, man. Look at this. It says right here what it is. Oh, wait. This is brushed aluminum. I thought they were going to send me a red one. Yep. Juggernaut Ultra FS Pro with the 27.5 inch boost wheel set. Brushed aluminum. Dude, that's awesome. I actually like the brushed aluminum better. I think the brushed aluminum looks cool. Anyway, I'm so excited. I'm like a kid on Christmas. Let's open this thing up and start putting it together, because I got to get that battery charged right away so we can start riding this thing. Alright, there's my first peek on the inside of how it's packaged. Wow. Dude, I love these wheels. So these are the 27.5 inch wheel sets with the 3-inch tires, not 4-inch. I wanted something different. Not a lot of people are showing off the 3-inch tires. Oh, that's so cool. There it is. It's the brushed aluminum with a clear coat. That is so cool, man. Look at that. Canadian flag right there. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. Very well protected. Got off to the side. There. There's your Bafang Ultra motor right there. I know it's exciting, but you gotta be careful not to cut anything that doesn't need to be cut. Oh, that's the charger. Oh, look, it has a Canadian maple leaf on there. 58.8 volt, 3 amp is what I think that is. Well, go pedals, platform pedals. Looks like you have a rear tail light, some wires, some Rockshox information, SRAM information, and then of course some Tektro hydraulic disc brake information. Oh my god. Alright, if you have a bike stand, this definitely helps, because this thing is kind of big. Look at that SRAM gear set. Whew, 11 speeds. There goes the chain guide up in the front to keep it from dropping a chain. Check that out. Maxxis 27.5 by 3.0. This is the High Roller 2. That is pretty awesome. Not quite a fat tire, but not a regular mountain bike either. This is somewhere in between. If you've never seen one of these boost axles before, way bigger than your regular traditional quick release. Tougher, stronger, beefier. Awesome. Through axles, there's really no way that these can come out because it's all solid right there. Damn, that is beefy. Very, very strong, that is for sure. All right, let's take the hydraulic brake protector out, because you don't want those to clamp in transit when it's being delivered. You don't want those to close up on you, because then it'll be hard to get them open. You gotta fight that hydraulic pressure. Let's put this thing on here. All right, so once you get the axle through, you gotta screw it down. All right, front wheel is on. Dang, that thing is a beast. All right, just a quick note. I didn't see any tools in the bike box, so I don't know if they're all going to ship with no tools, but be aware that I didn't get any tools. Not that I wanted any, because I already have my own tools. So, something to note. Ships with 2 keys, and I'm going to go ahead and take the battery out so I can start charging it right away. Probably should have took it off as soon as I opened the box. All right, unlock the battery. There's a little lever here. It unlocks the battery from the frame, and it just drops right out. Alright guys, there's a look at the battery pack. This one shipped with the bigger 52 volt 17.5 amp hour battery pack, 910 watt hours. Biktrix Canada. It's got some instructions there. Read those before you start messing around with this thing. But yeah, big, powerful battery pack. This thing's kind of heavy too. Let's go charge this thing right away. Let's put these bars on. Wow, this bike stand really came in handy. It's a homemade bike stand, by the way. Alright, so I got the pedals on, and let's check the shifter. Let's go up. Looks like, actually, that looks like, wow. Looks like that thing's tuned pretty good. And back down. Wow, it's tuned pretty good right from the factory. Yep, goes through all the gears. And the brakes. Yeah. Woo. All right, so I got it all put together. It actually didn't take that long because it's pretty much put together other than the front wheel and the handlebars. So it's actually pretty easy to put together. I got it done before the sun went down. But look at this beautiful beast, man. Alright, so let's do a quick fly around before I actually charge up the battery and ride it. Again, 27.5-inch wheel set. And then these 3-inch tires are just phenomenal. I mean, I just love the way those look. So cool. There's the back wheel with the SRAM 11-speed gear set. X actuation is what it says there. Oh, it's a clutch too. This one has a clutch. Very nice. Here's your rear hydraulic 4-pot hydraulic brakes. There's your front sprocket. I don't know how many teeth that is. I need to adjust this chain guide a little bit. Just move it over just a little bit. Got to air up the shocks. Set it up for me. So here's the Rockshox air shock in the back. That's the lock position for rigid, and that's the unlocked position. There's a little icon that tells you if you want this thing to rebound quickly, you go this way. If you want it to rebound slower, you go the other way, clockwise. So I'm going to leave it on fast for now, and I have an air shock pump to pump this up. Here's a look at the Rockshox Recon air forks, especially designed for e-mountain bikes. It says EMTB. If you want to lock it, you go clockwise. If you want to unlock it, you go counterclockwise. So let's see. Oh yeah,
That's unlocked. And then here's your port where you pump it with air if you need to, right there. Schrader valve. Let's put that cap back on. We'll test that out here when we charge the battery up. So the wires, looks like they need to be cleaned up a little bit. Just get some zip ties and clean that up. You got some grommets here so the wires don't get damaged as they go through the frame. Very nice. All right, looking good.